going to be making brown butter pecan chocolate chip cookies. Now this recipe actually came from Stovetop Kisses YouTube channel, so I'm gonna put her the link to her channel in the description box below so you can check her out as well. I think she's from Alabama. She's hilarious, and all the recipes that I've tried from her have come out amazing. So we're gonna try out these brown butter pecan chocolate chip cookies. Y'all, it's almost Christmas, so this is my gift to you. Have a Merry Christmas from my family to yours, and a Happy New Year. And I pray that God continues to bless you all, because if you came this far, that's a blessing for real. And so yeah, let's give thanks unto the Lord, for He is good and He is the real reason for the season. Stay tuned. Y'all, so the first thing you're gonna need is 2 sticks of salted butter, and then we're gonna put it into this saucepan here so it can brown, not burn. So you wanna keep an eye on it. So it's gonna get like frothy at the top, and it's gonna start browning, and that's when you know it's ready. All right, y'all, as you can see, the butter is starting to brown. So it should be ready. Okay, now that our butter is browned, we're going to take 1 cup of light brown sugar and pack it into the measuring cup. And we're just going to put it into our bowl. That we're going to add a 1/2 cup of white sugar. And now we're going to take our browned butter and pour it over our sugar. And now we're just going to take a whisk and stir it all together. Okay, so now I'm going to crack these 2 eggs and place it into our butter and sugar mixture. And then we're going to take 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Now y'all, I have this parchment paper down, so it'll be easy cleanup. It's just up to you how you want to do it. I just don't want to mess up the whole table and have a lot to clean up when I got done. All right, 1 tablespoon of vanilla. And now we're going to stir all of this together. Okay, now I have all-purpose flour. It's already pre-sifted. I'm just gonna need 2 cups plus 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Okay, now the recipe calls for 2 teaspoons of salt, of kosher salt, but I am going to only use 1 teaspoon since the butter was salted. Okay, so we also need 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Now I always get the one that has the cookies on the box because I feel more comfortable using this one rather than this one. See, it's also used for cleaning, and I don't know. I don't think there's a difference, honestly. But if you're baking, you'll feel more comfortable using the one with the cookies, right? All right, so 1 teaspoon of baking soda. We also need 3 teaspoons of cornstarch. Okay, so I'm just going to fold the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients using a spatula. So you just want to fold it, not stir it. Okay, y'all, now that my dough is fully mixed together, I'm going to add my semi-sweet chocolate chip morsels and my pecans. So I use this beater thing, I use the flat side, to make them chopped pecans. So you can actually omit using pecans if you're allergic or if you don't like pecans. You can use walnuts, you can use M&Ms, you can use whatever you want at this point. But I'm using chocolate chips and pecans. Okay, so I'm using 1.5 cups of chocolate chips. Okay, and I also used 1 cup of chopped pecans. Okay, now I'm going to fold both of these into the dough, and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so I mixed everything together, and this is what our dough looks like. So now I'm going to take some saran wrap or plastic wrap, whatever you call it, and cover our bowl because it needs to be chilled for an hour. So we're going to put it in the refrigerator to chill.
1 hour later.
So our dough has been chilling in the refrigerator for an hour. So now we're going to spoon it into our parchment lined cookie sheet. All right, y'all, now I'm going to use a big spoon like this to scoop my cookie dough. You can use an ice cream scoop if you want. What I'm going to do is scoop it and place it on the cookie sheet. I've decided to roll it to about this size. It's up to you how big or small you want your cookies to be. And then I'm just going to press it down a little. like that.